Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Signal HD Spikers ang Akari Chargers 25-17, 25-15, 25-21. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Roslyn Doria Aquino sa likod na kanang 12 points, 9 attacks, 3 blocks at 2 digs. Nagtala si Gandler ng 15 points, 14 attacks at 1 ace. Ako na 8 points, 1 attack. Doria Aquino 12 points, 9 attacks, 3 blocks at 2 digs. Lalungisip 10 points, 2 aces at 5 excellent receptions. Katendeg 16 digs. Judith Abel 3 points, 8 digs. Fernandez 4 points. Nag-ambag naman si Cayona ng 5 points. Para naman sa natalong Akari Chargers, nagtala si Nisperos ng 12 points, 12 attacks, 8 digs at 6 excellent receptions. Laxina 5 points, 5 attacks, 6 excellent receptions. Victoria 3 points at 1 block. Soyod 4 points, 1 block. Domingo 4 points, 2 aces. Raagas 2 points, 1 ace. Hazareno 15 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Camille Cal ng 1 point at 8 excellent sets. Sharma 4 points. Madrigal 1 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Panalo naman ang Farm First sa isang reverse sweep kontra sa Capital One Solar Spikers 18-25, 21-25, 26-24, 25-19, 15-12. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Rachel Andakis sa likod na kanang 19 points, 17 attacks, 2 blocks, 13 digs at 6 excellent receptions. Nagtala si Risa Cruz ng 13 points, 13 attacks, Viray 14 points, 3 blocks, Dakis 19 points, 17 attacks, 2 blocks, 13 digs at 6 excellent receptions. Turing 9 points, 3 attacks at 1 block. Abiliana 10 points at 1 ace. Delerio 21 digs, 8 excellent receptions. Romero 2 points, 21 excellent sets. Nag-ambag naman si Bertolano ng 10 points at 11 excellent receptions. Larosa 2 points, Tagsip 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Capital One Solar Spikers, nagtala si Laila Cruz ng 15 points at 15 attacks. Ginoo 16 points, 13 attacks, 3 aces. Clemente de Guzman 11 points, 2 blocks. Niegos 14 points, 1 block at 1 ace. Doromal 26 digs, 22 excellent receptions. Singh 11 points, 10 digs, 13 excellent receptions. Tolinada 6 points, 21 excellent sets. Nag-ambag naman si Alvarez ng 1 point, Estrella 1 point, Villegas 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of February 18, 2025. Creamline Coles Masters 9 wins, 1 loss, 26 points. Petrogas Angels 9 wins, 1 loss, 26 points. Signal HD Spikers 8 wins, 3 losses, 25 points. PLDT High Speed Hitter 7 wins, 3 losses, 20 points. Chocomocho Flying Titan 7 wins, 3 losses, 17 points. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 5 wins, 5 losses, 14 points. Farm Fresh 5 wins, 6 losses, 15 points. Akari Chargers 5 wins, 6 losses, 15 points. Zeus Thunderbells 4 wins, 6 losses, 14 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 1 win, 9 losses, 5 points. Enlix Lead Chameleons 1 win, 9 losses, 4 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win, 10 losses, 5 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong February 20, 2025 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Maghaharap ang Creamline Coles Masters at Galleries Tower High Risers alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Enlix Lead Chameleons at Petrogas Angels alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.